Alright, here we are. I shut that clear a couple hours ago. Now there is some micro fissure cracking stuff kind of going on. But I think that's an interesting, rather than just throwing two new headlights in here, sure that would look great, but this car has an age, it has a vintage, it has some little things all over. You know, the coloration of this gray is a bit, you know, it'd be darker if it was newer. So what I'm trying to say is, I don't think it hurts this to have a little bit of age showing. It certainly isn't milky and it isn't yellow anymore, which is the most important thing. So I think it's a nice balance. It's certainly sweet because it's 20 bucks instead of 120 bucks for a new light. It was just 20 bucks. Well, no, for 20 bucks for the spray can. I did both lights, and if I replaced both, it would be over 200 bucks, maybe 250 time I had everything shipped. So anyway, I think it's a nice economical way to do this repair or improvement. And this is something that, like I say, has some longevity. You can make them this clear with getting all the way up to a polishing compound and polish them this clear and then sealing them with a wax, but I just don't. When you're running something outside, you're always fighting Mother Nature and the elements, and wax just doesn't do it for me. It wears off. I want to put a two-part plastic on, and this was the way I went about doing that. So I'm just really pleased with those. Finished pulling this stuff off. I know everybody likes a masking video. I pulled the tape right off my radiator cap, or the paint right off my radiator cap. That sucks. So don't do that. But I also shot the pickup truck headlights, everything but coming apart. Yeah, let's just get right off here. This is real good tape, this 3M green. Wrecking my whole quick reveal video here. Sticking to everything like it should. I guess that's better than popping off halfway through the paint job and the wind blowing the paper up and touching my clear coat, so I suppose I'll take it. And it is my fault for sticking it everywhere. Taping with reckless abandon. When I was a kid, I was always in trouble for taking the expensive rolls of my uncle's painting tape and making shit with it. It worked better. It was a better product. I had champagne taste when I was a kid. What can I say? Now I can buy all the fucking tape and use it all I want. This is how I choose. There, yeah, definitely make one small little piece there and then stick to the fresh paint. Yeah. Yeah. Then we close the hood, and that looks sweet. Much, much better. Okay, that's how I suggest doing your headlights. Took all of 5 minutes to tape, 5 minutes to sand, 5 minutes to shoot. It's done with this whole project start to finish in less than an hour. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll see ya.